Hello and welcome to our video guide on partner registration. The first step in becoming a Norton Empower partner is by completing some basic company information. Start by entering your company details and, once complete, click Register. If registration is successful, this message is displayed, and you will receive an email with your global partner ID number, username, and a link to set your password. This is where you set your password, after which you'll be able to continue the registration process. Starting with the compliance questionnaire. The purpose of the compliance questionnaire is to ensure trust with consumers by complying with anti-corruption laws around the world. On this page, you'll need to enter all the countries in which you sell products and services. This is a multi-select list, so more than one country can be selected by pressing and holding the Command key to select additional countries. All fields need to be completed. If your business activities meet our compliance requirements, you'll move to the next stage. Should we need further checks, then you will be advised by a message on screen and an email. Should a compliance review be necessary, we will aim to confirm the outcome within 10 business days. On this page, we gather the intake information. Some fields are already auto-filled from the registration form, but you have the opportunity to modify your company information, for instance the address, but not the account name. Fill in your financial details. Details like tax codes, bank account numbers, etc. will be different between regions, so you may see a slightly different interface in your area, but the information we are gathering will be the same. By providing this information, you allow us to set you up on our systems, which is necessary for payment of any revenue share you may earn under the Norton Empower Reseller Program. There are validation sets built in, so for example the IBAN number has to match the standard convention for the entry to be accepted. And the SWIFT code will need to be added if an IBAN number has been entered. Clicking on Next will take you to the Billing Profile Information form. At this stage, the company information is not editable as it's tied to the compliance information already submitted. If you want to change anything, you will need to restart the process. Here we take the billing contact information. If it's the same as the contact name, that can be selected. If you select Yes for tax exemption, you'll need to upload supporting documentation on the next page. And if you select Yes for being VAT registered, you will need to enter your VAT number, prefixed by the country code. For example, the United Kingdom has the prefix GB, followed by the number. If an entry doesn't comply with the validation sets, an error message appears, and you will need to go back and correct it. Once the billing profile has been completed, you will move on to document submissions. This is where you're invited to upload your tax exemption form. This confirms what has been uploaded. You have now provided all of the relevant information. Look out for an email from Norton, which will confirm your registration. You will be asked to verify your email address and create a new secure password. Then you will be directed to the Norton Empower Reseller portal. Once you have completed this last step, you are all set up and ready to go.